All of them like that?
Yeah, no, you ain't get me.
Oh, come on, man! You bragging on that snap-on shit and it broke. And you sure that snap-on?
That's Snap-on.
Dude, they gonna ask you how was you using it. Are you sure that snap-on?
Yeah.
Where you see snap-on at?
No, I got it off the truck. Right here, Snap-on, right there. Right there, right here on the handle, right here. That say Snap-on right there.
Oh yeah, it is snap-on.
Yeah.
Where he come? Don't he come on today? Alrighty, y'all. Guess who's here? The freaking snap-on man. Y'all remember all those breaker bars we broke? We're about to find out if he's gonna warranty that now. Yeah, his breaker bar broke. So let me see. Y'all hold tight. Oh, I'm seeing was you up here. I'll be back. Now, my buddy on lunch, so I need to know if his breaker bar in here so we can see if this guy's gonna replace it. Where is it damn breaker bar? Broken ass breaker bar. What is this? Why he didn't bring that? That's snap-on. So this guy, he apprentice, he got a bunch of snap-on shit. Now if I was a long ass breaker bar, where would I leave? Uh-oh. I don't see it. Is this it? But I think the snap-on guy gonna ask me for a nipple. Where's the damn nipple? Come on, man. This guy only come once a week. Nobody wanna wait 2 weeks for a damn. Let's find out. Let's see what he say. Y'all is my witness. This it. This shit broke. Can't even take a damn lug nut off. Y'all hold tight. I don't want him to know I'm recording, so hold tight. Come on, man. Where you been, man? You up here eating? Dude, we got broken tools and you up here eating? Hey, this shit broke. This is y'all best breaker bar.
What's the top piece?
I knew you were gonna ask that. I don't know. I can't find it. The nipple part. Yeah, I can't find it.
Well, it's a nipple with the actual head.
The head of it, but it's angled, right? Yeah. He grabbed it. He had lunch, and I might have to call him because we've been waiting on you. We didn't know what day he was coming. Huh? The printer, the new guy, apprentice. We was trying to take some lug nuts off.
God damn.
Right. You would think this is lug nut compatible. Don't care how tight the lug nuts. Oh, come on, man! You got one on here, extra?
It goes inside.
Oh, you can repair it instead of replace it.
And I got the screw that goes in there too.
Oh, for real? That's the way y'all do? Y'all don't just swap them out no more?
That one, it's always been like that one.
Oh, really? I remember you fixed my little small one.
Yeah, if it completely shatters the head or whatever, then yeah, we replace the whole thing. But if it's
Oh, so you can fix this today?
yeah, you
Alright.
have a piece.
All right, let me give him a call, see if he got where it is, because I got this out of his toolbox. All right, y'all gonna have to hold tight. I gotta call my man. See, we gonna fix this. I want a whole, if it was mine, I would want a whole new breaker bar. All right, I gotta get off the phone because I gotta call this dude, see what the other part of this snap-on man gonna fix this damn thing. Hold tight. Yeah. Oh, in there?
Yeah.
I found it down to the breaker bar, but I was like, he probably had lunch. And he want to know what the hell you was doing to break it, because that thing ain't supposed to break. He want to know, was it foul play? Pro Master, that's a good excuse. What we got up here? 2,500.
No, it was a big ass fucking van.
Why? That matters? That matters the size? Oh, you just making shit up. I bet it was a 2,500, wasn't it? But still, they ain't supposed to break. What happened to the snap-on quality?
It'll break over time.
Over
I'm
time?
gonna be honest with you, I've only ever used this.
Hold on,
really.
watch this. Well, guess what got it off?
What?
What do you mean what? What tool got it off?
Pull it off.
And it wasn't even a breaker bar, it was a ratchet.
Oh, after this one had loosened it up for you?
No, that shit didn't loosen nothing up. It didn't do. After it loosened up, then we went to the other competitor, huh? That's not how it went, dude.
What are you talking about, man?
Y'all closest competitor got that off.
Who's that? Closest.
Yeah, okay, who you think y'all closest competitor? Ain't no you.
competition.
Ah! Ain't no competition. We went through 3 or 4 breaker bars before we finally.
Does Matco even come here?
So Matco is your closest
That's
competitor.
the only guy that comes out here and tries to compete.
Maybe it wasn't a truck. Maybe it was a local store. Maybe it was a up and coming tool store.
Craftsman?
Ain't no Craftsman. That's like Lowe's, man. Yeah, I don't even do them no more.
It was Harbor Freight. It was Icon.
Yeah. Yeah. What you got to say about that? Why is that possible?
Like I told you. They loosened it up for you.
Dude, get the fuck out of here. So what's the rating on this? So we won't do it again. We'll know not to grab this when we have a ProMaster in with us.
I'm not even sure.
Pay attention, Don.
What the rating is on
He
it.
say he's not warranting it no more.
Really?
Nah, he full of shit.
It's,
I was gonna say, man. What
Hey,
the
it's
fuck?
like AutoZone. AutoZone, no, Advanced Auto got a thing called limited lifetime warranty. I said if it's limited, it ain't really lifetime.
Well, that's why I don't buy shit from AutoZone like that. You know?
They parts. They like, we only gonna replace it one time, dude. Like, but that's not lifetime. Oh, this the head.
Yep.
So this is the part you snap?
No, well, that's the back of it.
Damn. Dude, where's the strength behind this? Dude, Icon, man, got it off. What you got to say about that, man?
Oh, my God.
No, I need to know, man. Like, don't that upset you? You're not upset, pissed off? I dare Icon take a bolt off when the snap-on couldn't? Oh, so that's just a screw to go in there?
Let's see if this is the right screw for it.
All right, let me let you do your thing.
This don't feel right.
Man, that's one caravan away from breaking again.
That definitely ain't screwed. I don't know where the hell.
I mean, even gear wrench couldn't get it off. Gear wrench, we snapped like 5 ratchets before somebody, me, had the bright idea to go to Harbor Freight and get the Icon big boy. I'm talking about the clowns in the comment section talking about my half-inch drive would have zipped that right off. I'm like, dude, get the hell out of here, man.
Next time one of them tells you something like that, just tell them my daddy's stronger than your daddy.
My daddy killed a bullet with 2 hands.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
He's swabbing down. His half-inch impact would have zipped that right off. This feel like an airplane, and this the cockpit. Regular people not allowed up there. What, you gotta have CDL to drive this thing? Just regular class C license? There's some dudes on the internet talking about we just back there breaking them just for the hell of it.
Just for the hell of it.
As if we don't want the lug nuts to come off. Like, who just sat around bored and ain't got nothing to do? Let's break all our errors. All our breaker bar. Dude, that look too easy, man. You sure we don't need a brand new one? So how you get reimbursed? How you get paid for this? Oh, you just a nice guy?
My labor on this stuff.
Really? Because you would have had to give us a new one if you... God, I know this thing, every bit of $200. It's got the hammer version on it. How much is it, $4 or $5?
It's like $7.
Come on, man. Dude, look like these been used. I don't see no hammer marks on it.
They just been right there for a while.
Oh, this ain't a pry bar. This is just a big ass chisel, huh? What the hell? Is that a breaker bar?
That is a torque wrench.
That's
What are we talking? God dang!
Yeah, them torque wrenches, them 3/4, they big as hell.
It's got snap on it too. Huh? It's still lifetime warranty, no matter how old it
Well,
is.
the head, like the gears, have a lifetime warranty.
Oh,
The
really?
mechanism for the actual torque wrench, it's like a 1 or 2 year warranty.
Oh, the bar. So if we bent that bar,
No, the bar. This is a hand tool. It's not. There's no electronics or anything in it.
what that is?
But that is a mechanical torque wrench.
What somebody turn it in and get fixed?
I gotta get it calibrated.
Oh,
Georgia Power.
oh.
So
But you don't do that. You send it out.
Send it out because
How the hell they calibrate the damn thing? It's curious.
they use something like that to test it, and then I don't know what the heck is inside.
Oh,
of
this
it.
is what you call a tester?
Yeah, that's how you can like kind of sort of tell.
Oh,
test your
I know mine's off because I ain't. Let me see, man.
Shit, close enough.
So
man.
no more Pro Masters. No, this is low. This is top of the line, right?
Oh, do you need this screw?
We back in business, y'all. I think the guy don't want us using it on Pro Masters though. So all the strength was riding on this. And I think that's why we had success with Icon, because this head was not sticking all the way out. So if you own one of these, don't panic. If you break it, they'll replace it. All he did was put this in there, the head, and a new screw. So the bar is still intact. So a lot of people want to know what snap-on cover it is. There's no such thing as abuse on this. How do you abuse this? It's only, you know, for one thing. But now how it go with those other guys, like my other buddy had the Mako. I don't know how it's gonna go with him. And the gear wrench, I think they gotta mail theirs in. So I don't know. But I don't care. I'm on a snap-on truck right now. See what I'm saying? And I'm off. I gotta go. Thanks for watching.